I love these shows!
We're going to turn this room from boring to beautiful!
It seems so simple. I mean, look at it compared to our room. It is pretty bad.
For all your room renovations, call me. No job is too small.
I think we should call.
Oh, a phone call. This show isn't even live. Hello? Room makeover?
We need your help. Urgently. Our room looks like a dumpster.
Looks like someone needs my help.
Okay, ladies. Let's turn this house from garbage to gorgeous. This is so exciting!
You'll need these.
Wow, he's so prepared. Look at it spin! Whee! Ready? There must be something in here. Don't need that anymore. Hey, homeless dude.
Hi, don't mind me. Just hanging out.
That tire could be useful. This gives me an idea. Can I have this?
Oh, pretty. This'll make a great fire.
Whoa! Don't burn it! I need it! I'll trade you! What do you say?
Why would I want a tatty old chair when I have a tire? Wait, I know. That's a nice jacket.
You want this?
Give it to me. I'll be the most fashionable hobo around.
Okay, fine. Take it.
Ooh, how do I look? And don't forget your tire. Haha, sucker.
Thanks! Place the tire on a flat surface. We're gonna attach rope all the way around. So start by applying glue to the tire. Then press on the rope. Do this all the way around until the tire is covered. Next, place a round cushion on some fabric. Put a piece of wood on top of the cushion. Fold the fabric over the cushion. Place a small amount of glue onto the cushion. And stick on a button. Put the cushion into the center of the tire and glue into place. This'll look great in my room! Comfortable, and it looks great! The perfect gaming chair! Come on! Oh, so close! Yes!
I love you, Mrs. Unicorn. Mwah, mwah.
Hi, darling. Time for bed. Let's go!
But Mom, the unicorns!
No excuses. It's late.
Fine.
I'll just take off the unicorn horn.
No!
Okay. Night-night.
Night, Mommy! Oh, it's dark. That's where the monsters live. Ah!
Are you okay? What's wrong?
It was dark and I think I saw a monster!
It's okay. Mommy's here. Have some milk. It'll make you sleepy.
Thanks, Mommy.
So precious.
No! Don't do it! Save me, Mr. Unicorn!
How did this get here? Wait! This gives me a great idea! Place a plastic folder over a drawing. We're using a unicorn because they're cute. Start to draw the unicorn on the plastic. It should be easy to trace. No need to be a professional artist for this one. Once you're done, get rid of the paper. Draw a dotted line on a cardboard box and cut it out. Stick the plastic folder to the box with tape. Make sure it's secure. Now take a torch and place it inside the box. Close the box over. Now to decorate it. Add some glow-in-the-dark paint to a tin of white paint. Anyone for eggs? Give it a good stir to mix the paint. Now to turn out the lights. Let's get artistic! This'll make a great painting and nightlight. Take your time. We want this to be perfect. The projection makes it so much easier. Looking good! Maybe I should take a painting! I think that's it! I don't need this anymore. What do you think?
Wow, Mommy! I love it! I better get to sleep. I'm tired. It's such a pretty unicorn.
Morning already? I'm so sleepy. Oh, that's cold. Ugh. Okay, let's try again. Whoa! Oh, that hurt. Why is the floor wet? Better clean that up after I'm dressed. I love this song! Woo! Yeah! La 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 la! Oh, come on! Give me a break! It's going to be one of those days.
Hey, Mommy! Maybe you should use these.
For what? Hold on, that's not a bad idea. I'll just lay them down on the floor and connect them together. It's so colorful!
This is fun, Mommy!
One last piece. Done!
Great job! Achoo! Oops! Sorry, Mommy!
Don't worry. It's easy to clean.
Thanks, Mommy! So can I drop more things on the floor?
Don't do that, sweetie.
I love painting! These shapes are so pretty! Maybe some yellow now. Ooh, that's good!
All I do is clean and tidy. Oh! What are you doing?
Oh, hi, Mommy! Like my art?
Why are you painting on the walls?
Sorry!
Never mind. Oh, this tape could be useful. It could be very useful.
I said I'm sorry! Please don't!
I'll just put this tape here. I like being creative. Another here.
Wow, Mommy!
Take this. Have fun.
Really? Thank you! This is amazing! I'm gonna be a famous artist! This green is so bright! Now for some white! Finish, Mommy!
Oh my! It's fantastic! Real art! Now to remove the tape. This is such a stress relief. There. What do you think?
It's great!
It really is.
What else can I paint?
Think your room needs a little style upgrade? How would you do it? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.